Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today to do a share video. It's going to be a mask making share video where I show you what I made or what I completed from my last mask making Monday video. So I will go ahead and link the mask making Monday video for these clear envelopes down below. I will also link down below the tutorial on how I made these clear envelopes, and let's go ahead and I'll show you what I made. So when I was making this on Monday, I think I had cut the papers and I showed you guys how I was going to cut these, like just cut a whole bunch of, like do all the cutting at once, cutting this paper or the transparency, cutting these little tabs and stuff. And so once I got off camera, I continued. I just kept on cutting, and then I made the little pieces, and then I did all the sewing all at once. So it probably took me a couple of hours to make all these envelopes. And I feel like I used to work a lot quicker, like when I used to drink coffee. Like, that sounds weird, but I really think that when I drank coffee, I was so much more like focused, like just zoned into what I'm doing. But even though I don't think it was that quick, I think this was really good for just sitting there and just doing it all in one shot. And that's what I love about mask making things. Now the paper that I used here when I showed you guys, it was 2 pieces of paper glued together. But once I cut it, I realized it wasn't enough. So I glued 4 pieces together. So that's what happened with that. But let me move this out of the way so I can show you the different envelopes. I think they just look so cool. Clear things are just really cool. I had a clear white jade bracelet one time, and it fit really close to my wrist, and I loved it because it was clear. I just like anything clear. And I think most people are used to seeing jade bracelets that are green, but that was a white one, and it was a white and a pretty clear one. And I wanted it to fit really close to my wrist. And I got this bracelet in Vietnam. So those jade bracelets, they don't open or anything. It's just literally a bracelet that you have to like fit over your wrist. And this is a really pretty paper. But they have a technique. So they say if you can fit something like this size around these 3 fingers, that means that they can work it into your wrist. So I really wanted it, and I wanted it to fit really close. And you would not believe the process it takes for them to put it on, because they have to like massage it in and work it in. And the hardest part, of course, is to get past this area. And once it gets past, then it goes through. But it is a process. And then at one point, I think it was for a job or something, like years later, I needed to take it off. And I had to break the bracelet. I had to get a hammer and just break it. This is actually, I took a copy of this paper that was from a book from 1882 or something like that. And I just love the font and everything. You can't really see it here, but I think it still looks cool. And this one. Yeah, so I made 1, 2, and this time around, for this example one, I used yellow thread, which I think is great, but I do think I like the green one better. I've made other ones where I use brown thread, and that's cool too. Yeah, I think they just look so cool all together. Now, of course, the bad thing about transparencies is that the glare when I'm doing a video or taking pictures. But I think I want to make more of these because this was actually a mistake. I started the video, the mask making video, and I cut the paper the wrong way, and I decided to just try making one of them. And I actually really like this size as well. Alright, I would love it if you guys, let me know if you guys would give it a shot at making one of these. And if you do, I would love to see what you come up with. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.